Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with VChill and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we'll be doing origami knife model. So let me show to you how it looks. This is origami knife model. As you can see, this is how it looks. It's very beautiful, very easy to make, and you can use different colors like probably a silverish paper here and a brown paper here. I have used all blue because all I had was blue. So without further delay, let's check it out. So guys, for this origami knife model, we'll be using 3 sheets of paper, 2 blue color, these are sky blue, 2 sky blue pieces of paper, let me just focus it, and one a normal blue sheet of paper. These are all A4 sheets, so we might need 2 full sheets, one sky blue and one normal blue. This will just require a half of it, so let's keep all this aside. Let's pick the first blue one. Let me focus a bit. So first we need to fold it along the vertical axis like this. Now you have 2 flaps, so first we fold this flap on this side, similarly this on the other side. If you open it, this is how it looks. Now we will fold this entire thing on this side. Let's keep it this way only because folding will be easier. So like this, edge to edge, fold it like this. Make one more fold in same way. This is a very easy model. So this is how it looks. Press it tightly because here it will be very tight edge because we are doing multiple folds. Here also we do the same thing on the opposite side. So first fold like this and second fold. Press it tightly here on the tip like this. Now fold it from the half. Oops. Let's fold it properly. Fold it from the half. This is how it looks. Press it tightly at the top. Now let me get my scissors. We need to cut this portion. So here I got my scissors. We need to cut this exact. We can take it from here as well. That's it. Flat cut to do it. So it should have been like this. So let me just cut this section properly. So now we again fold it one more time, but this time we don't fold it as such. This is for the shape like this. Similarly we do it on this side. And then we stick it basically like this here. In this fashion we stick it. So this is the first part of the sword or the knife. This is the top portion. Now let's keep this aside. I'll stick this section and let's go to the bottom part. and let me pick another sheet of paper. So I'll keep this aside. Next we'll use a blue color sheet and then we'll make it into half. I'll just tear this half. We'll need the second half for the second other thing, and then we'll just roll it around this in this fashion, like this. This is the handle. Here we apply the glue and we stick it like this. So this is the handle basically, and let me keep this aside. And for the third part we'll use the second half this way. We'll just make a slight strip like this, maybe 1 centimeter would be enough, and then we keep folding like this. Like this it is, and then we fold it from the half like this. Then this we will join, basically these two we need to join, and this we need to join at the tip here, basically, as it looks like this. So let me join these three and I'll show you the final model basically. And there is one more part, so for that we'll be using this piece, but we'll be just using a slit of this piece. So let me focus. Yeah, we'll just use a slit of this piece, so I'll show you that at the end. So let me join all this and I'll be back. So guys, for the fourth part of the knife we'll be using this small piece of paper. As I said, we don't need entire sheet of paper. There's a small piece, so all we need to do is, we don't even need this much sheet actually. Let me just tear this off. You just need this much. All we need to do is make a small cone like this, like this, stick it here, and then we'll cut to make a proper cone. So let me just stick this and I'll be back. So guys, here is our triangle and here is our knife. As you can see, the cone, I have sticked it and just cut it to look like a proper cone. And this is the knife. As I showed you earlier, I've stick this and the bottom portion, and this will be just putting it here like this, like this. So this is the final origami knife model. This is very easy model. I hope you loved it. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you loved it. It's a very easy origami knife model, so go ahead, make one, but don't forget to hit the bell icon and get notified first. Share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back. Next video, new content, new videos. Stay tuned. Take care guys.